All right, what's going on, guys? Eric with TheWiscoGuyz, and in today's video we're doing exhaust video. So if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel. We have the F-150 with the SPD Y-pipe. I did a video on that. I'll link it in the top here and down below. And we have the Speed Engineering side exit exhaust. This is a Whippled F-150 four-wheel drive. We're gonna do a little exhaust video, how it is. I don't know how long I'm gonna keep it like this because it's way too loud, but I might as well record it so I know what it sounds like. So if I ever want to go back to it, I know what I'm getting myself into. So let's start the video. I got Hunter and his girlfriend are gonna be filming, so let's get it done. Okay. You think she's ready for this?
Oh yeah.
It sounds like going down the road. It's not terrible, not bad, but yeah, it's definitely a lot louder than stock. I'm doing 60 right now, so but yeah, definitely a lot louder than stock. Like I said, I might put the stock exhaust back on and then just use this for race day. So yeah. Alrighty, guys, if you like that video, definitely subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and definitely comment down below if you have any questions or anything. So you guys have a good day or night or whatever you're having. See you guys. Bye.